Hi there, so I'm Pam Carr of Carroway Crochet, and I'm here today to show you how to make a beautiful mini pom-pom garland that you can hang up in your home, use it for a nursery decor or any kind of special little space that you want. So this is one I made, and I'm going to show you how to make a multicolored one. So thank you for joining me today, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications, and I hope you enjoy this video. Yesterday I went out and bought myself a new set of pom-pom makers. These are my favorite kind, and I wore my other set out. I made so many pom-poms, and so I had an order come in for a mini pom-pom pom-pom garland. So I thought I would show you today how I go about making one of those. Okay, so first of all you get your two pieces and you sit them together like this, and then you start to wrap your yarn around. It's just a matter of wrapping it around evenly. So you wrap it around this side, and then you wrap it around the other side. So I will go away and finish this and come back and show you what the next step is. You've got one, and you sort of make it level with the end here. Then this is my second one. So I'm just going to cut the yarn there. And then you fold it together like this. And this little bit clips up here to flip down there. And this one clips and flips down there. And then you get your scissors. These are not the ideal scissors, but I can work with them. And you have to slip them under here and start cutting. And then you cut the other side. Then you get a nice long piece of yarn. I like to get a really long one. And you put it around where the slit is here. And you tie it very tight. Very tight. So you pull it. I always sell these with a disclaimer because little ones can sometimes pull the yarn. My dogs are barking. Sorry about that. They're outside. So you do that a couple of times, tie a lot of knots, and you're ready to open it up. I forgot to unclip it, so here we go. So now you just have to look at your pom-pom and trim it. Give it a little shake. This is a little mini pom-pom. They're so cute. And just trim around it. So it's nice and circular. What I have now is, I have all these pom-poms. They're cute. It's 12 pom-poms all together. This is my demo, so I'll take that one away. So these 12 pom-poms, I'm just going to trim them off like this. And then I'm going to create the cord and thread them all onto the cord. So normally I use cotton when I'm creating a cord for the garland to hang from, but I only have this white for demonstration purposes right now. So, and it works just as good. It's a worsted weight. So I've created a slip knot. I always go a little bit too fast. So I'm creating a slip knot. This is the way I do it. I'm also left-handed, so I hope that's not going to be a problem. I pull one over, and then I pull the other one over, and then I slip my hook in there, and this is an H hook, and I'm using a 4-weight worsted weight yarn, and I'm just going to chain, wrap the yarn around the hook, pull it through, and I'm going to chain, and I'm going to keep going until I get a 5-foot length. So I'm going to leave you to go ahead and create your chain, and I will come back and show you how I add on the pom-poms to create a mini pom-pom garland. They're just beautiful for nurseries and any kind of decor really, and I can't wait to get this one finished to show you. So here I am. I've got my chain done. It's 5 feet. It was approximately 160 chains, and I tied this end off like this for my tail so that somebody can just put that into a push pin. And then on this end I've threaded it through my yarn needle. And so I've got all my little pom-poms here ready to go. Oh, I have one more here I need to trim. And then I'll just start to thread them onto the yarn needle. So this is my last one. I couldn't find it. I thought I'd lost it. Anyway, there it goes. So this is the order that I want my pom-poms to appear. And so I've got my needle threaded, and I'm all ready to start stringing the pom-poms onto the garland. So I just like to stick the needle right through the middle of the pom-pom and slide it down. So that's number 1. And the really cool thing about this is that people can then put them as close to each other as they want them, or space them out depending on what their application for the garland is going to be. Sure you can get it through there and pull it right on. Sometimes it doesn't like to go onto the chain, but it does. There we go. Number 3 is this dusty, well, it's kind of a vibrant blue actually. There we go. Ta-da! It's so exciting when they start to come together. Oh, some of it came out. Look, that does happen, I guess. Didn't like the chain. That's what I mean about putting a disclaimer on to say with children, they can pull it and get it out. So it's for decorating nurseries, but not for children to play with. Okay, the blue one still looks okay. So I'll just thread all these on and get back to you. So here it is, the Pom Pom Garland, and you can just go over if there's any little bits that need trimming when you're looking at it. Like here, all of a sudden we've got something sticking out, so we can just trim that off. There. So that's pretty, and then as I say, I tie the ends, so there's a nice little bit for a push pin or whatever it means you're going to be hanging it up by, and you just go around and fluff them out. I'm going to trim it off camera just because I don't want it going on the rest of the pom-poms. Yeah, so you just finish it up, and then you can slide them around. As I say, they move on here, so you can put them close together or far apart, And that's how I make a mini pom-pom garland using these little pom-pom makers. I'll put a link to the maker of this type of pom-pom maker. You can make the little ones, you can make the big 3-inch ones here. Use 2 to do that. And you've got this size, and you've also got this size. So it's a really comprehensive package that you get them in. It cost me $14.95 Canadian, so very reasonable, and they last for quite a while. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the little bell so you get notifications of any time I have a new video coming out. And like if you like it, and make a comment. I'd love to hear what you think about the garlands. Okay, thanks. Bye.